Generational change is what happens over time. This is what happens to a particular population over time. For example, it could be a change in taste in fashion or a taste in music, or it could be a generational shift from or changing of the guards in corporate management or in a political bureaucracy. Meanwhile, when you talk about generational gap, ito naman po yung alienation between younger and senior members of a population. Ito po yung hindi nila pagkakaintindihan ng iba't ibang henerasyon sa loob po ng isang lipunan. Papapansin na ang kino-contradict ng Gen Z yung millennials, yung mga ate at kuya nila na gustong-gusto nilang i-compete at kumbaga i-contradict. Hindi naman nila direktang kino-compete yung mga Gen X na usually mga parents nila or considered mga bosses sa workplace sa ngayon. Ang masasabi ko lang ay may matutunan ang millennials at ang mga baby boomers na ngayon ay malapit na mag-retire from their work sa ating Gen Z. Itong mga batang ito, laging inaakusahang tamad at quiet quitters daw. Pero sa totoo po niyan, they develop side hustles from their passion projects like photography or graphic design and other creative arts that they intend to develop into full-time jobs later in order to pay for their bills. They are also popularizing remote work, which is bringing their work on vacation, in beaches, in travel, because they believe that work-life balance is not really easy. You cannot really separate it. So why not make your life holistic and seamless?
Ayan, siguro, Trisha, sa dami at sa haba ng pinag-usapan natin kasama itong tatlong henerasyon na to. Lastly na lang siguro gusto kong naman na marinig ng ating mga schoolmates sa bahay kung ano ba ang mensahe ng Generation X to Y and Z and sa kanyang generation din. And same goes for all the other generations na Y and Z. Simulan natin sa iyo, Ja.
Siguro, I will not be pertaining sa X and Y. Pero this is a message to everyone na huwag tayong matakot. Huwag tayong matakot na harapin kung ano yung darating, kung ano yung darating na bukas. Kasi minsan, normal lang matakot walang masamang matakot. Pero paminsan-minsan, yung takot natin, yun yung pumipigil sa atin doon sa dapat natin marating. On my generation, hindi ko pwede i-claim na generation namin yung tatapang Kasi I have my own fair share of fear. Pero sabi ko nga, kung hindi natin lalabanan yon, kung hindi natin lalabanan yung sarili natin. Ngayon kasi hindi lang naman paligid at community ang kalaban natin, kundi sarili na natin, yung pagkatao natin. Pero kung matututunan natin na i-conquer yung takot natin, yung sarili natin, mas malayo pa siguro yung mararating natin. And for my generation, may iilan pa rin namang close-minded, may iilan pa rin open-minded. Pero we have to face the inevitable. Nagbabago ang panahon. Kailangan natin intindihin lahat ng henerasyon. Hindi porket ito yung naaakma nung panahon natin, ito rin yung naaakba sa panahon nila. Kung susumahin naman, hindi naman to panahon ko, hindi to panahon ni, hindi mo panahon, panahon nating lahat to And life is full of adventure. Let's not trap ourselves doon sa paniniwala ng generation natin. Let's discover life the way it is. Not because kung ano yung paniniwala ko, paniniwala mo. Why not let's discover this world, this life na magkakasama. Pareho tayong mag-unawaan, pareho tayong mag-intindihan. Hindi ipipilit yung paniniwala ko sa paniniwala.
Yun. At with that, kabugin mo ang sinabi niya, Paul.
Lagi mo pinipressure, sir. Pero ayun nga, siguro para sa akin, be unique and be you. Kasi nagiging maganda ka, nagiging pogi ka, kung sino ka. No? So, and sometimes we create our own culture, our own generation, our own trend. So, para sa akin, walang above na generation, walang mas mataas, walang mas mababa. Kasi, bawat yan sa ating generation, may unique sa'yo na na-amaze ako, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Siya na-amaze din siya na ngayon lang din niya nalaman sa akin. So, bawat yan sa atin, pare-pares lang tayo. Kagaya na sinabi kanina ni Sir John, no? This is our generation.
First and foremost, message ko muna kay Gen Z muna. Listen to them. Kasi sila yung mas may alam kaysa sa atin. Silang mas may experience. Sometimes sinasabi natin na sa ating selves na wala silang alam kasi older sila. No. They're older, so they know. That's why, let's listen to them. Let's listen to their wisdom. Kasi ang ganda ng mga words nila kanina eh. That's the point that I want to make. Kasi they have that wisdom. We have to take that wisdom. We don't have to compete with them sa ano yung nalalaman natin. Kasi sila yung talagang may alam. Sila yung may experience. We have to learn from that experience. Kasi sila yung may alam talaga noon. And then, final na message ko sa inyo, thank you so much. Kasi kayo yung kayo yung nag-build ng foundation kung nasan kami ngayon. Kayo yung nag-teach sa amin. Teacher ka, ikaw leader ka, and kayo yung nagli-lead sa amin to lead the next generation naman. So, ayun lang yung message ko and thank you so much. Yun lang.
Ang ganda ng wise words ng ating mga guests for today. Kaya naman, thank you so much, no? Kay Jan, kay Paul, and kay Nelly. At sana natuto din kayo sa episode na ito just as much as natuto rin kami all from you. Ayan. Okay, so Gina, nasimulan ko na lang din yung takeaway, short but sweet, na ang generational change nangyayari, at mangyayari pa rin as time moves on. No? Ang gusto nating maintindihan is that understanding different generational changes should be a two-way street. Kapag nag-bring tayo ng conversations about interactions that we have in our schools, barangays, in our workplaces, and even in our family, hindi siya dapat na parang, ito na yung nakasanayan ko, ito din dapat ang nakasanayan nyo. But more of, how can I understand you and how can you understand me better? That's how all our conversations should be like. Similarly, sa paano nga ba nangyayari ang gobyerno natin ngayon, no? Hindi ibig sabihin na ito ang nakasanayan natin ng mga polisiya na ginagawa natin noon ay dapat ganito pa rin or same method pa rin yung ginagawa natin ngayon. So, yun yung knowledge or yung comparative advantage of having different generations because we understand na kung ano yung comparative advantage ng isa is an experience that can be gained by another generation. So, hindi siya dapat mas lamang ako sa'yo or mas under ka sa akin dahil there is no such thing as a superior generation. We are all moving in different time frames, different perspectives, different circumstances. Pero the understanding should be there. Every conversation should be held with respect. Whether you accept or disagree, when we hold our conversation, it should come from a level of compassion and understanding. So yun naman, Gina, I turn it
Yes.
over to you.
Dahil nga, G, tayo sa mga cliche na quotable quotes.
Yes.
Totoo guys, mga schoolmates, yung papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na kami. Kaya wag sasama yung loob natin kapag sinabihan tayo ng ganun. They're not trying to brag, but they're just giving us a warning na baka maranasan nyo to kung gagawin nyo to kasi ginawa ko na yan dati. Ganon. So this isn't about creating divide between generations. They don't differ because they belong in different generations.
Correct.
I believe nagkakaiba sila sa maraming aspeto, sa edukasyon, sa religion, sa social status, sa family values and culture, sa pamilyang kinalakihan nila, sa lugar na kinamulatan nila. And also, nandyan din yung halimbawa yung mga older people, they wanna be younger. And the younger people, they wanna grow so fast, diba? They wanna grow up, diba? Since lahat ng generations ay natututo sa bawat isa, shared wisdom. Since shared wisdom ang lahat ng ito, each generation, I believe, learn from older generations. Thus, ito yung tinatawag natin, breaking from all the generational traumas na naranasan nila. And to answer the question kung sino nga ba ang mas angat,
Superior.
sino ang mas sikat, sino ang superior generation, wala.
Yes.
Wala
ayan.
po.
Wala pong
None.
At dahil agree ako dyan, Gina, with that, sa bawat usapin, sa bawat issue, may boses tayong mga kabataan.
Sumali, makinig at makiisa dahil opinyon ng bawat henerasyon ay mahalaga. Kaya naman sabay-sabay nating isigaw sa buong mundo. Schoolmates!
May pakialam ka!
Sigaw ang